Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is an approved center of ICTQual AB, and we're offering you ICTQual Level 3 Award in Manufacturing GRP GRE HDPE Pipe. In the vast landscape of infrastructure development, the role of high-quality piping systems cannot be overstated, from delivering clean water to our homes to facilitating the transportation of fluids in industrial settings. Pipes play a critical role in various sectors. Among the materials that have revolutionized pipe manufacturing, glass-reinforced plastic, GRP, glass-reinforced epoxy, GRE, and high-density polyethylene, HDPE, stand out for their durability, corrosion resistance, and versatility. The Level 3 Award in Manufacturing GRP GRE HDPE Pipe is a specialized vocational qualification meticulously designed to equip individuals with the essential skills and knowledge needed to proficiently manufacture piping systems using GRP GRE and HDPE materials. This award serves as a gateway to a rewarding career in industries such as construction, infrastructure development, water management, and marine applications, where the demand for skilled pipe manufacturers is ever present. The Level 3 Award in Manufacturing GRP GRE HDPE Pipe offers individuals a pathway to mastering the craft of pipe manufacturing using cutting-edge materials and techniques. By acquiring the skills and knowledge imparted through this qualification, participants not only enhance their employability but also contribute to the sustainable development and advancement of industries reliant on pipe infrastructure, embrace the opportunity to become a master pipe manufacturer and make a lasting impact in the world of construction, infrastructure, and beyond. Entry requirements. Prospective candidates are typically required to have a minimum level of basic education, usually equivalent to completion of secondary school or its equivalent. This ensures individuals have foundational literacy and numeracy skills necessary for successful completion of the course. Due to the nature of manufacturing work, candidates are expected to have a basic understanding of health and safety principles and regulations relevant to the manufacturing industry. This may involve completing introductory courses or certifications in workplace safety. Study units. Introduction to GRP GRE and HDPE pipe manufacturing, properties of GRP GRE and HDPE materials, health and safety in pipe manufacturing, manufacturing techniques, quality assurance in manufacturing, environmental considerations. Future progression. Advanced certifications, specialized training, career progression, entrepreneurship, continuing professional development, CPD, international opportunities, research and development. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.